Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talking with the Grok around the several AI industry topic like the podcast. So let's get started. Hello, can you hear me?
好的，加密模式已开启。
Speaking English.
Got it. Switching to English. What do you need?
I will send you a topic and I want to listen your opinions.
What topic? Give me one and I'll share my thoughts.
Wait a minute.
Okay, take your time. I'm here when you're ready. Yeah, it makes sense. The money's moving from raw model training to selling and integrating them inside big companies. Building the model is expensive and getting commoditized, but helping banks, hospitals, or factories actually use them safely and effectively, that's where the recurring revenue is. Distribution beats invention at scale right now.
Yes, I also want to create a business model like to applying AI into the a lot of the industry company in my hometown, but I encounter a lot of the problem.
What kind of problems are you hitting? Let's break them down one by one.
I originally want to apply the AI like the open cloud to help my uncle. She running a two business model. First is the rent the fork kits. In we call local the how to say 工业区. And the second the business model is to how to say I don't how to expression PFA in English. Yes, she PFA a lot of the words would for some people who want to customization their their 家具, you know.
Got it. So, your uncle runs a shoe business in an industrial zone, and you want to add an AI customization service where people can design their own shoes, like custom furniture orders? What specific problems are you running into with this idea?
First is I don't really to watch the whole business process. I originally to go through to watch the whole process, but I think I lack some brave. So I only constructed the whole process based my understanding for the open cloud because after I communicate with my uncle and my mom, she's saying a bit of problem is one one user called the form to rent the floor kit. A big the step is talking about the price. So I think if I can design a skill to help my uncle quickly to solve the price talking, that can speed the whole process.
You want an AI tool that handles price negotiation for shoe orders so your uncle doesn't waste time haggling with every customer. That's a really smart first target. Quick question. When customers ask for a price, does your uncle usually give a fixed price? Or does the price change based on materials, quantity, or design complexity?
Yes, so the the price negotiation is a very complexity by a lot of the case. Not only the material and the difficult, also have the another so this very which is really to construct in skills. So uh, so I think the mm,
Got it. Price depends on many variables: materials, design difficulty, quantity, and other factors. That's why it's hard to automate with simple rules. Would you like me to help you build a step by step framework to turn this complex pricing into something an AI can handle? I can walk you through it.
no. Uh, I think the more possible to improve the capability just shall be like the no one driver the floor kit because I ever walked through the Shenzhen uh floor kit exhibition. I found some company they have the developer the no one driver floor kit, but it's expensive and only can working on the so how to expression it only working on the 室内.
Understood. You're saying that instead of just building a pricing chatbot, you want to build something more ambitious, like an automated production system similar to those driverless knitting or sewing machines you saw at the Shenzhen exhibition. But those machines were very expensive and only worked in limited, controlled environments, right? What part of that automated system are you trying to build for your uncle's shoe business?
So I think the AI applying in the traditional industry, not only in the software level, the big the possible is in the hardware areas.
You're right. Hardware is where AI can create massive value in traditional manufacturing. For your uncle's shoe factory, do you want to focus on automating the production side, like cutting, stitching, or assembly, or the customization design side first?
Mm, so currently, I can help for my uncle is I use the GPT image tool to generation the cover for him.
Oh, so right now you're helping your uncle generate perfume packaging designs using GPT-4o or similar? That's a great starting point. Are you
Uh,
generating images of the perfume bottle and box designs for him?
poster, not cover. Sorry.
Got it. You're using GPT to generate promotional posters for his perfume products. How's that working for him? Does he like the designs you're creating?
Uh, I think that is the only we can have for my uncle, and maybe with the human robotic come to be a matter which can really apply in the hometown industry.
Yeah, using AI to quickly generate many poster designs is actually a smart, low cost way to help right now. Then your uncle or a designer can pick the best ones. Are you thinking of turning this into a small service, helping local factories with AI generated marketing materials?
I originally want to build a company especially to do this thing, but I think based my currently the ability and the experience that is still be early stage and not to um still be on 不成熟.
Yeah, you're being smart about it. Starting a full company right now might be too early. Instead, why don't you just treat this as a personal project first? Keep helping your uncle with posters, get really good at it, and test what local businesses actually need. Once you have real results and feedback, then you can think about building a business around it. Would you like some practical tips on how to improve your poster generation workflow for him?
No, because I only to manually to generation the image and totally simple.
Got it. Then what would you like to do next?
I think I still need to spend a lot of time to know the more industry to uh to extend my views. Be the first before I want to build a company to do this business.
Good mindset. Then here's my direct advice. Stop trying to build a company for now. Instead, spend the next 6 months just deeply understanding one single industry, like your uncle's shoe or perfume business. Watch everything, ask stupid questions, learn the real problems and costs. Only after that should you think about building anything. You want to be the first? Then go deep before going wide.
My uncle's second business is the plywood wholesalers.
Plywood wholesale. That's a much bigger market than perfume posters. What kind of problems does your uncle face in the plywood business? Customers complaining about quality, pricing pressure, or something else?
No, just in the hometown, the demand for the whole the plywood only from the the demand is not be strong.
Ah, so local demand for plywood is weak.
Yes, yes.
That means your uncle probably. So most of his sales are local, and because demand is low, he's stuck in a very competitive, low margin business. In that case, using AI to generate marketing materials probably won't move the needle much. The real problem is finding more customers or creating new demand. Do you want to focus on helping him get more customers, or is there another angle you're thinking about?
Mm, I think use the AI generated video to create a lot of the short video. Maybe maybe a useful ways.
Yes, that could work better than posters. Short videos showing plywood quality tests, installation examples, or customer projects tend to perform well on Douyin and Kuaishou. They're much more effective at building trust than static images. Would you like me to give you a simple system for creating these videos consistently with AI? Sure. What's the next topic you want to discuss? This one pisses me off. Companies are straight up stealing artists' work to train their models, then using that same meme style to make money, and the original creator gets nothing. That's not innovation, that's just theft with better technology. The fact that they're even debating whether this is okay shows how broken the system is right now.
Uh, I I know the dog the meme I ever seen the meme, but I think AI company if don't get the permission from the author and keep use the idea uh that is not a well example.
Exactly, you're right. Using someone's original art or meme without permission is not okay, even if it's just for training. The creator should have the right to say no, or at least get paid. Do you think there should be laws that force AI companies to get permission before using people's work?
I think it is not a smart idea. It's not a easy way uh to 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 build a lot to to force the to defend the illegal operations. Mm, because in AI industry, AI company share. add a limitation when the user use the model to some generate the content shall be checked after the safety after the copyright safety checking.
You're saying instead of making strict laws about what companies can train on, we should just force AI companies to check for copyright issues before they let users generate images. But here's the problem with that: it's almost impossible to do perfectly. AI models don't know where their training data came from, they just mix patterns. So checking every generated image would be slow and expensive. What do you think is a fair solution then? Should artists have any protection at all?
Mm, mm. I temporarily not have any advice for the artists who to protect their content be stolen from this AI company.
That's actually an honest answer, and it's okay. Most people don't have a clear solution yet because this is genuinely new and difficult. The core problem is once an image is on the internet, it's extremely hard to stop AI companies from using it. The technology moves faster than the law can catch up. For now, many artists are just watermarking their work heavily or keeping their best stuff offline. Not ideal, but it's what they can control.
So I think they are still have a long way to to
Yeah, they're still
repair
figuring it.
to refix the refix the leg of the lawyer.
Yeah, exactly. The law is lagging far behind the technology right now. It's going to take years before we have clear rules about this.
Lagging far behind.
Exactly. The law is moving at walking speed, while AI is running at full speed. That's why everything feels so messy right now.
Okay. So thank you for joining today the podcast.